Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to buy Bitcoin on the Stash app in a detailed and easy-to-understand way. First, open the Stash app on your device and log into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap the Invest tab. This section lets you explore various investment options including stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Next, to find Bitcoin, you can either scroll through the list of cryptocurrencies or use the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Bitcoin and select it from the results. This will take you to the Bitcoin investment page, where you can see the current price, market trends, and other relevant information. On the Bitcoin page, tap the Buy button to start your purchase. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to invest. Stash allows you to buy fractional shares, meaning you can invest any dollar amount you want even if it's less than the price of one whole Bitcoin. After entering the amount, review the summary screen carefully. This will show you the total cost including any fees associated with the purchase. Stash charges a small fee per transaction, so it's important to be aware of this before confirming. If everything looks good, confirm your purchase by tapping Buy Now. Your transaction will process, and the Bitcoin will be added to your Stash portfolio. You can monitor your investment anytime by going to the Portfolio tab, where you'll see the current value and performance of your Bitcoin holdings. Keep in mind that cryptocurrency investments are highly volatile and prices can fluctuate rapidly. It's recommended to invest only what you can afford to lose and to do your own research before making investment decisions. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.